Hi everyone, it is Beth from SweetHearts and I'm here today with the lovely Chloe. Now, if you're wondering if there's something different about me, I have hair. So I've got this gorgeous weave-in. Thank you so much to Dion Greenwood from Studio 750 and to Jenny from the hair room. So Jenny did the colour and Dion gave me this gorgeous Slavic hair and I just love it. So I'd love to hear in the comments if you think I do suit brunette. But anyway, enough about me. So today I'm going to show you how to do a chignon style. Now, chignon styles are notoriously quite fiddly. However, I saw this video randomly, I can't even remember where I saw it, might have been Facebook. And it was so easy to do and I was like, right, I have got to, something's just going past and it's gone. I've got to show you this video. Hopefully you'll love it and give it a go. It takes literally 2 minutes, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I've just put a really rough curl to Chloe's hair, okay, but you don't have to do that bit. I've also used a little bit of wax spray, dry wax spray. I'll put it in the link in the comments for you. So just to tame down a hair, and I've also just left a little bit out at the side, but that's optional, okay? So these two things I have in my hand, okay, they are not potatoes. Everyone always says they're potatoes, but they're not. They might look like potatoes, but they're squidgy, okay? And these are our chignon makers that we sell in our store at SweetHearts Hair. Okay, so this is obviously the small version, and that's the larger version. I'm gonna use the larger version in Chloe's hair just because it's so long, okay? So if you have got really fine hair or shorter hair, you would want to choose the smaller option. So I have just sort of gathered Chloe's hair. So you're not going to put this in a hair tie, so no bobble, okay? I'm just going to rest this chignon over the top of the hair, okay? Pull it down a little bit. And then going to get this tail and just wrap it over the top like that, okay? And then you're just going to gently start to roll that up. So once you've got to this stage now, it looks a bit strange because you've got the roll up, but you've got these sort of baggy bits at the side, which doesn't look great. But this is where it gets a little bit different. You're going to take this chignon and you're going to twist it over to the right. So once you've twisted it round, right guys, what I want you to do is just gently start to bring that hair to cover those side bits. And then you're going to use some long grips or bobby pins or Kirby grips, okay? So just the long ones, and you're just going to pin this to the side of the head. Okay guys, so that is our super easy chignon style finished. What did you think of it? I'm going to do a little spin with Chloe, so bear with. So there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and hopefully subscribe and look out for more videos to come next week. Bye!